everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make these flowers. You can make these flowers and use in many projects. I use 4mm hook, 4mm cotton yarn. Make a magic circle. Take this yarn like this, put on your finger, fix this yarn, insert your hook under this yarn, take working yarn, this is working yarn, insert your hook, pull up yarn, turn the yarn, and chaining, make chains, yarn over, pull up yarn, chain 1, yarn over, pull up yarn, chain 2. Make 2 chains in here, yarn over, insert your hook into magic circle, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make double crochet, yarn over, go to this ring, double crochet, stitch first round in this ring. We make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 double crochet in here. I show we make 11 double crochet in here with first chains, these chains. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stitches in first row. Insert your hook in top of these chains. We have 3 chains in here. Insert your hook, take 2 loops, yarn over, pull up yarn, slip stitch. We make first round like this, add 1 chain, go to row 2, second round, add 1 chain, go to first stitch. After these chains, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up yarn. We have 2 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet in first stitch, yarn over, go to same stitch in here. We make single crochet, go to this stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, 2 last yarns, 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on your hook. We make half of 1 double crochet in here, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, hold this yarn on hook, yarn over, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, hold these yarns, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns. I show We make 1 2 3 4, repeat, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. We make 1 2 3 4 5 of these stitches with first single crochet. We make 1 2 3 4 5 6 yarns. We have 6 yarns on hook. Yarn over, go to next stitch. After this stitch in here, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. Hold this yarn on your hook, repeat, pull up yarn, pull through, hold these yarns on hook. We make 1 2, repeat, 3 4 5. In here in total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them like this. I show. Yarn over, close it. Go to next stitch. Insert your hook into next stitch after this stitch in here. Insert your hook, pull up yarn. We have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. I show. Yarn over, go to same stitch in here, repeat 1, repeat like this stitches, 1, go to same stitch, 2 3 4 5. Yarn over, go to next stitch in here, repeat 1 2 3 4 5. 5 in here, 5 in here. In total we have 11 yarns on hook. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yarn over, pull through all of them, add 1 chain, close it, go to next stitch after this stitch. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, single crochet. Yarn over, go to same stitch. In here we have 1 single crochet, go to same stitch, repeat 1 2 3 4 5 times, go to next stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 times. Yarn over, pull through all of them, close it, go to next stitch, make single crochet and repeat like this for these stitches. yarn over, go to same stitch. I make in this stitch like this. I made until here 1 2 3 4 5 clusters in here. I show into last stitch, make this cluster, go to next stitch, same as before stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, make single crochet, yarn over, go to same stitch, one half double crochet, 2 3 4 5. I show 5 in this stitch, insert your hook into next stitch, repeat 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over, put roll of them, close it. We have one single crochet in this stitch, in first stitch, in top of this stitch in here. We have one single crochet. Insert your hook into this single crochet, pull up yarn, slip a stitch I show, cut yarn, hide this yarns under stitch I show. You can use these flowers in many projects.